Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in the Brilliant application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the more option. Press on it and here you should choose the third option on the page, which is password. And here you can just write in the new password that you want to set and once again the new password. And once everything is done, all you have to do is just press save down below and your new password will be saved. So basically you just write in the new password here and once again the new password and press save. And you can see that the new password was just saved basically. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.